This question asks, in the event of insolvency, which basically means the company is on its way to bankruptcy, what is the correct order of the claim that different types of securities would have on the company's assets, from the best position to the worst position? In other words, which is the safest through to the riskiest? There is one nugget of knowledge that will also serve as a memory aid that will help you answer this question correctly. Nugget number 1, bonds do provide collateral. This is why bonds are the safest. In the event of insolvency, as secured creditors, bondholders get paid ahead of all other investors. Now, the first letter from each word in the phrase, bonds do provide collateral, is your memory aid for the rest from safest to riskiest. Remember, B for bonds, D for debentures, which are essentially unsecured bonds, P for preferred shares, and finally, C for common shares. We select the answer that indicates that as secured creditors, bonds are the safest, followed by debentures, which are unsecured creditors, followed by preferred shares, with the riskiest being common shares. And the answer key confirms we are correct.